some of them were busy celebrating them and telling you that, oh, they are doing good, they have done this, they have done that. I think I jumped the one that Seer made. So you see Seer. Now, this is Seer. Okay? Celebrating. Look at him. Celebrating the same people. Telling you that the Biafran Liberation Army, Igodomigodo, command in powerful crusade and deliverances. This is not your Madam Nigerian madness or wasteful. We have activated the defense of Biafran land. If you have Nigerian army, police, and Ebubago plus AGU, Nandi Iche na Eche Ucho in your house, and I don't know what you mean by that. Evict them now. Okay. Now this is Seer giving warning, celebrating the same people. The same Seer was the one laughing at these people, telling them that they don't even have anything, they don't hold anything, that the Beze is one using them and doing this and doing that. But today, these people, look at them here, they have, this is my own judgment. Maybe USB defense may have a different opinion to that, to what I'm about to say. The same group of people who were once celebrating COS are now, if you the audio here is very, very low, so I'm not going to play it. But this man here, the same group, they were 3 in number, made a video in solidarity with the United States of Biafra. They have deviated now to Oginkere. And that's why you see them celebrating them, calling them commanders and gallant men. Before they said that they don't know these people. If you go to Facebook, okay, let me flip the camera. I think I need to show you this so that many of you, because I believe that many of you are in doubt of what I'm saying now. Some of you are in doubt. Let me look for, just a moment, let me look for a way to bring it forward so that it will make more sense to you. It will make more sense to you to understand that what I'm saying is not just a mere talk. Now let me just give me a moment. Let me see if I can locate Facebook, because the account called Biafra for Biafra, which Seer and Co said that account belonged to Gentle, condemn this individual, these people that we are seeing them celebrating today. I'm here to talk about how the whole thing started, because I've seen that many of them are trying to move away from the main subject of the matter and trying to tell you that because of the begin to tear the house down. Let us, what I'm going to tell you is something that many of you know, but maybe you have forgotten. Let us refresh our memory on how the whole thing started as people from outside, because I'm not an insider. Okay? So I will do my best to show you that. Just a moment, let me attend to this caller. Let me just respond to. Okay, so okay, let's continue. Now, let me see if I can key in Biafra or Biafra. Okay, Biafra or Biafra on Facebook. Let us visit Biafra or Biafra on Facebook and see if there's any time they cross red to condemn these people from Igodomigodo when they were in support of CS and USB. They told you that they are criminals, but because somehow they are now talking about it, because the video that I just showed to you now, the guy was sending greetings to Masamonokan, to PM and to Ogenkere, and to commanders and generals in the Biafra Liberation Army, which I'm not here to tell you that greeting them is a taboo. But I just want to see the hypocrite. When they tell you, when they point finger at somebody and tell you this person is a criminal, know that they're saying that because of something that maybe disagreement they have with that person, not that truly the person is a crime committer, as they want to paint that person in public for you to swim in that and believe that is the way to go. Now, let me, just a moment, I'm looking for, why I choose not to flip the camera now, because I don't know if they post the bulletin at this platform or anything like that. So let us be selective, because so that you're not going to affect the platform we are using at the moment. So I'm trying my best to, God may have it.